Oh! Alternate art hit! Welcome to the Pokemon Squad! My name's John.
My name's Dallas.
What's your name? Kylie!
Can you say Kylie?
Kylie! We're shining the light of Christ.
One pack at a time.
And today, guys, we have the second half of our Crown Zenith, or Zenith,
You about got
Elite Trainer Box. We did pull a card we've been wanting really bad in our first part of this video. So
but you gotta go watch that. See
go back, check that one out.
Because we need views and we need clicks.
So definitely check that video out. And we're hoping that this second half of this Elite Trainer Box is even better.
Shinx. Get Shinxed.
And we have got
nothing.
He did evolve. That was an evolve pack.
Really?
Yeah. So what are we looking for, guys? We need the alternate art Mewtwo card.
There's
We need the Galarian Gallery Mew card. I need the holographic
I need
Mewtwo card.
everything.
You see a pattern here? Also, we'd love to take any of the gold cards because those are super cool indeed. And that's what we're aiming for. Of course, we'd love to pull anything. But that's our top goals for this particular video. Can we achieve our goals? Hit that like for us, guys, if you don't mind.
Ooh, baby, I love you.
Maybe that will help send the good pulls to us. Hit that like if you don't mind. Subscribe if you would do that for us. Tangrowth, and we got Snorlax.
I didn't beat people. I was just saying, ooh, baby, I love you.
Guys.
No, I'm not.
Yes, don't you lie to these folks. Dallas is a peeker. He loves to try to get a little idea of what might be in these packs.
You should try it out one day.
I don't like to peek. I like to be surprised. I don't even like knowing the color of the code card. Oh! Alternate art hit! Let's go! Look at that beauty, guys.
Told you.
Minion. Definitely a nice card. Let's hit that super zoom. Show us some of that texture, Dallas. Hit it with the light. Okay. Super duper zoom. There's that texture. If it would focus. Alternate art card, guys. Always awesome to see one of those. So definitely pleased with that one. All right. So Dallas, in our last video, he really did it good.
Maybe this is my set.
I guess so. I kind of started it off and then you finished it.
We're not finished it. Please.
Give this baby everything. Okay, I guess go first.
Wait. Daddy can't.
Guess you get the loser pack. That's your third pack. You get the loser pack. Usually in these videos, whoever gets the worst pulls, if it's an uneven number, we'll let them have the last pack because, you know, they're the loser. But Dallas is just like, you know what? I'm ripping everything.
Every day.
I'm getting the loser pack. I'm getting the winner's pack. I'm getting all of it. You need some more cards?
Tingle, go, Patua.
Oh! Glaceon, always nice to hit an evolution. Alright guys, that means I get last pack match. So let's see what I can get. It's not been just an absurd number of hits in this box like some of our other ones. But it also has not been a bad box either. Alright, so we got ye old last pack of magic. And we'll see what we can get, guys.
Ooh, baby.
Let's kind of move this stuff out of the way. Alright. We need the Mew. We need every Mewtwo. And we need some gold cards, guys. Are there any of those in this last pack? Okay, I'll hand them to you as I go. I'll let you inspect the cards, and then you can proceed to chunk them into oblivion. Why not? Thank you. You're welcome. Alright, guys, we're coming up towards the end of this pack.
Dad, can you please?
Is there anything? Oh! Absol character rare.
Daddy.
I have not ever even seen this card before. Wow, look at this, guys.
I don't even need your love tonight.
I have never seen this card. Definitely keep the print line in the middle, but you know what? It doesn't really matter to me. That is a super cool card. So, last pack magic is real. And then can we get the Tauros? Alright, guys. Not bad at all. We did pull a character rare, a V, and an alternate art card. What are you talking about? You need milk? You need milk, okay. Look at that, guys. Not a bad opening. Plus, in the first part of this Elite Trainer box, we got one card that we've been looking for so long. So that is awesome indeed. Probably our next video that you'll see, we will be opening these two tins. They have Evolving Skies,
Evolving Lies,
Brilliant Stars,
Brilliant Death.
Two of what people consider the best sets ever made.
I don't think Evolving Death.
Here, let's open this up so we can do our outro. Don't forget, everybody, to like and subscribe, of course, and that Jesus Christ loved you so much he died for you. And all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, you fools. God bless.
Ah!